Hi folks, Project Truth Beam here, and we were just doing a video on Passover and the bitter herbs when I got some questions about how I do my matzah. Now, if you go traditional route, they're dry hard crackers, but biblically speaking, they were not dry hard crackers. They were things like this, flatbread that did not rise, did not have time to turn into bread. And so you can see how thin I make them. They're almost like the same height as a crepe. And this is about what I start with. A little circle just about as big as my fingers. And I roll that out to what you see here. And then I sprinkle some salt on it and I roll that over top to push the salt down into it. But essentially, we got some organic unbleached flour, and we put a little bit of olive oil in there, and we put some salt. I get the iodized salt because iodine is good for you. And then I put in some filtered clean water. And then I just mix it until I get a good consistency, about something like this. You know, it feels like pizza dough, essentially. And then I just stretch it out until it gets to be one piece. And then I cut off me a little chunk, like so. I roll it out, get it really flat. The flatter the better. And this is perfect. Once you get it going, you're gonna put a little bit of olive oil. Let me put a little olive oil on this spoon. Just about quarter size. Move it around. And then once you see a bubble like this, go ahead and turn it over. And we want little coloration, but not too much because we don't want to burn it because they're very thin. We want a little coloration, and then we pop them off, and they should look like this. That is my matzah. See, you can bend it, you can wrap your bitter herbs and your lamb in it. That is how I make matzah. All y'all out there gonna be eating some matzah this season, happy eating.